Hi, I'm Elizabeth, sleep expert at Tuck. Today we'll be taking a look at the Tuft and Needle Hybrid mattress. This is the newest mattress from Tuft and Needle in their first hybrid model. So, how does it stack up to Tuck's test? Keep watching to find out. We brought in some outside help to show how the mattress performs for different body types and to hear additional opinions from a variety of voices. Assisting us today, we have lightweight sleeper Jenny, average weight sleeper Wilfred, and heavyweight sleeper Jerica. Setting up the Tuft and Needle mattress is easy. We recommend having a friend around, because while the mattress is compressed, it's a bit bulky and heavy for one person. Move the mattress to its final destination, unwrap it, and watch it come to life. Recovery should happen within the first 24 hours. Expect there to be some off-gassing, but it should dissipate within the first week of unwrapping. The Tuft and Needle mattress is a 12-inch hybrid mattress. The cover is made from a blend of polyester and polyamide. The comfort layers consist of 1 inch of quilted polyfoam pillow top on top of 2 inches of graphite and gel-infused polyfoam, over 1 inch of microcoils, and 1 inch of a transitional polyfoam. The support core is made of 6 inches of individually pocketed coils above a 1 inch high-density polyfoam base. The Tuft and Needle Hybrid offers one firmness option at 5.5, making it a medium mattress. While it has coils in both the support core and comfort layers, the pillow top and soft comfort foams give a plush feeling atop the mattress. The pillow top layer is slower to respond, but the layers below are more responsive. You will feel a mix of sleeping in and on this mattress as you sink into the uppermost comfort layers and with the microcoils and pocketed coils keeping you propped up. Depending on your weight, you will either float on top of these softer layers or will sink in a bit deeper towards the support core where you will feel a bit more firmness. Though with 5 inches of comfort layers, most sleepers will get that medium feel. To measure support, we look at the spinal alignment of each of our sleepers when sleeping on their side. We found the Tuft and Needle provided adequate support for all 3 of our sleepers. The use of coils in the support core and comfort layers offer resistance that will brace sleepers as they sink in. You can see that all of our testers' spines are well aligned when sleeping on the Tuft and Needle Hybrid. We did notice our lightweight and average weight sleepers received a bit more support than our heavyweight sleeper. Motion isolation refers to how well a mattress isolates or absorbs motion, and how well it keeps that motion from reaching your partner or pet. To demonstrate this, we put a water glass on one side of the bed and had our heavyweight sleeper Jerica move around the opposite side to monitor how much motion transferred across the surface of the bed. Hybrids are generally more responsive mattresses, and while the Tuft and Needle Hybrid has 2 layers of coils in it, you can see there is very little movement when Jerica moves on the opposite side of the bed. Between the pillow top, the 5 inches of comfort layers, and the coils being individually pocketed, the Tuft and Needle Hybrid manages to cap and minimize movement to a noticeable extent, something we were able to observe with multiple sleepers moving about the bed as well. Edge support refers to how much your mattress holds you up or pushes back against you while sitting on or sleeping close to the side of the bed. Mattresses with worse edge support leave sleepers with a feeling of roll-off, which is akin to the mattress ejecting the sleeper. Our testing found the edge support of the Tuft and Needle Hybrid to be solid. The mattress's hybrid construction with a pocketed coil support core, in addition to the microcoils and the comfort layers, do a good job of supporting sleepers while they are on the edge. You'll notice some sinkage while sitting on the edge, but that's just the comfort layers compressing. Once compressed, the support coils and microcoils push back and prop up sleepers. While laying along the edge of the mattress, we felt very secure in all sleep positions, without a fear of rolling off. Using our 2D and 3D pressure mapping tools, we're able to look at how well mattresses relieve pressure on the body. You'll notice the scale goes from blue to green to yellow to red, indicating increasing amounts of pressure pushing back against each sleeper. When it hits red, there's a higher likelihood of reduced blood flow in those specific sections of the body. Our testing found that the Tuft and Needle Hybrid mattress provided exceptional pressure relief across all our sleepers in all sleep positions. The 5 inches of comfort layers allowed our sleeper to sink down to the appropriate levels to relieve pressure. You'll see a bit of red on our lightweight sleeper, which is due to her sharp frame and shoulders. Aside from that, the readings look solid for all sleepers, though they were best for our average weight sleeper, Wilfred. Temperature neutrality refers to whether a mattress disperses heat from your body, allowing for breathability and airflow. Hybrids excel in dispersing body heat, and the newest offering from Tuft and Needle is no different. We found the Tuft and Needle Hybrid remained quite temperature neutral throughout the night. Tuft and Needle's adaptive foam traps a bit less heat than other foams, and having coils in both the support core and the comfort layers, there is plenty of airflow to keep the mattress on the cooler side. Before we move on, let's take a moment to check in with our sleepers. Jerica, what did you think of the Tuft and Needle Hybrid mattress?
I absolutely love this one.
Really?
Yes.
Wow, what was your favorite feature of it?
It's really nice. It relieves a lot of the pressures from like my heavier areas, so I don't feel like I'm sinking into the mattress. It's really nice and steady, yeah, for sure.
I thought this mattress was really firm.
Okay.
But not really my taste for a mattress.
So just a touch too firm for your liking.
Yeah.
I thought this was a really great mattress. Yeah, there was a lot of things about it that I really enjoyed. I tend to use a lot of pillows on my current mattress, and I felt like if I had this one, I would have to use less pillows.
So what is your favorite position when sleeping on this mattress?
I like to sleep on my side. One thing that I don't really enjoy, but is sleeping on my back, but I didn't feel like I was sinking into the mattress, so I think maybe I'll try that a couple of nights.
Good. And how was edge support? Were you able to get really close to the mattress and feel secure?
The edge support of this mattress is actually really good. So if I did sleep on the edge of this, I feel like I would actually stay on the bed and not fall off.
Could you imagine if you took this bed home, like would you feel your partner or pets coming in and out? Do you think that you'd still be able to sleep soundly?
Absolutely. That's actually probably my favorite thing about this mattress, was that it had the least amount of disturbance when I was laying on the mattress.
When we did the water glass test, it was really nice. The glass wasn't moving at all. I had to get really close to it to make it move. And then when people were getting in and out, I almost had to like open my eyes to see if they were in the bed.
Wow.
Because I did not feel them at all getting in and out. So I really love that part because I don't like to be interrupted in my sleep. So that was great.
Well, awesome. Thank you so much, Jerica.
Thank you.
Now, let's take a look at how the Tuft and Needle Hybrid stacked up in our mattress testing. We found the support for this mattress to be very good for light and average weight sleepers and good for heavyweight sleepers. Pressure relief also did well with light, average, and heavyweight, all rated as very good. Motion isolation was good, and edge support and temperature neutrality were very good. Here are a few takeaways from our Tuft and Needle Hybrid mattress testing. The mattress only comes in one firmness option, a 5.5 out of 10. So, if you prefer a particularly soft or firm mattress, you may prefer something different. The Tuft and Needle Hybrid has a traditional hybrid feel, so it will be somewhat conforming and responsive. If you prefer the deep sink of a traditional memory foam mattress, you may want to look elsewhere, as you won't get that with the feel of the Tuft and Needle Hybrid. Lightweight side sleepers may prefer a mattress with softer construction. This bed does feature a soft pillow top in Tuft and Needle's adaptive foam, but the overall firmness is a medium pushing medium firm. Lightweight sleepers find the best support with beds that offer a little more conforming and contouring, and especially those with sharper frames like Jenny. At the other end of the spectrum, some heavyweight sleepers may find themselves yearning for a bit more support than the Tuft and Needle Hybrid provides. Even though there are microcoils in the comfort layers and a coil support core, some heavier sleepers may find the medium firmness a bit too soft to support them properly, though others may find the mattress perfectly adequate and enjoy it like Jerica did. So who is the Tuft and Needle Hybrid a good choice for? We recommend this mattress for average and heavyweight side sleepers. The mix of the pillow top cover, adaptive foam, and microcoils in the comfort layers provide a nice balance of conforming relief and support. Back sleepers of all weights will also enjoy the support offered by the 2 coil layers. Sleepers will stay propped up while also sinking slightly into the foam layers just above. Couples will enjoy both the motion isolation and edge support the Tuft and Needle Hybrid provides. The mattress rated above average in both those categories, with the coiled layers providing support edge to edge, and the topmost foam layers absorbing motion. So whether your partner pushes you to the edge of the bed or they toss and turn at night, this mattress should have you covered. Warm sleepers will appreciate the construction of the Tuft and Needle Hybrid. The microcoils in the comfort layer and the pocketed coil support core allow for ample airflow through the mattress, keeping it and you cool. If you're considering purchasing the Tuft and Needle Hybrid mattress, here's some additional information. It comes with a 100-night sleep trial, 10-year warranty, and free shipping and returns. For up-to-date pricing and discounts available exclusively for Tuck viewers, check out the description below or visit the written review on tuck.com. That's it for our review. Please give us a like and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. Visit tuck.com to view the full written review and to continue your sleep search. If you'd like a personalized recommendation from our team, please comment below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. As always, sleep well.